Alright, a guy with a boring monotone voice explains another math video. Alright, so this one is question 28 from 3.1. And what this question is trying to test is, do you know how to do the derivative of the exponential function? And do you know how to do the derivative of a polynomial raised to a power? And thirdly, can you recognize which is which? So the general strategy is that when you have a polynomial raised to a power, you put the power in front and you subtract the power by 1. And the derivative of the exponential function is just the exponential function back again. So looking at our problem, we have a higher order polynomial on the right. Because you're taking the derivative with respect to r is basically like playing the role of x in most of these derivative problems, and it's raised to some power. On the left, you have the exponential function raised to the power of r. So how do you treat this? Well, the derivative of the polynomial is you just put the old power in front, which in this case is e, and you subtract 1 from the power. Now, there's not really an easier way of writing it. I mean, technically, e is a number like 2.78, and you could subtract 1 and put 1.78 there if you want, but it's messier. And for left-hand side, remember the derivative of the exponential function with respect to r is just the exponential function back again. So you put these two things together, and you get the derivative of k with respect to r, or k primed, which is just e to the r plus e times e to the r minus 1. And that's it. That's all there is to it. It's more or less just a concept check and making sure you know the difference between a polynomial and the exponential function. And to some degree a constant, because it's trying to make sure that you didn't mistake either one of these for a constant. All right. If you need any more help, just feel free to send me a screenshot of any problems you might have. I really appreciate all the donations from the community. And yeah, hopefully this feels kind of like one-on-one tutoring and gives you some examples that your professor doesn't give you in class, or teacher. Anyways, feel free to like and subscribe, as I will probably be posting more videos in the future from this section. So if you're working your way through it and you just want someone to walk you through it like it was a one-on-one tutoring session, let me know. Thank you very much. Bye.